cut the perfect pizza. Here we go.
Oh, that one sucked.
Oh, that person looked angry. Okay, next. Okay, 1/3. Ooh,
14.
that wasn't even close. You got this. 1/4. Oh, that was decent.
Yo, boy.
Yeah, you got one more? 1/5. Come on, one. Oh, that's pretty good. 67. 67.
6, 7.
Here we go, half. Ooh. Okay, you get 1/3. That was decent. That was 44. There we go. 1, 2, 3. Oh, that's your best one. Here we go, Jack. That's decent.
Hey,
A
yo.
64. Okay, here we go. Half slice. Ooh. Next. 1/3. Oh. 1/4. 1,
Walk
2,
in.
3.
LeBron James.
Oh, that's all right. 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. 61. Awful.
6, 7.